Thanks very much.
Telluride traffic, Centurian 639 and Charlie is 3 miles to the south. We'll be joining at 45 for a right downwind, runway 9. Telluride traffic.
Telluride traffic, Bonanza 5230 Hotel is on downwind over Telluride, 430 Hotel.
Hotel, Telluride Unicom. We have glider and tailplane operating in the area. We have a departing Husky and an inbound citation. Winds calm, altimeter 3023.
30 Hotel, thank you.
Sierra Hotel, what type of aircraft are you and how long will you be with us?
30 Hotel is a Bonanza and we're just going to land at the park.
No, RJ, not those. Bonanza, be advised we do have a landing fee, no touch and goes.
30 Hotel.
Can you check the gear? Can you look?
Telluride traffic, exec jet 307, short final, runway 9, or Telluride.
Telluride traffic, Centurion 639 and Charlie, right downwind 9, and beam the numbers.
Telluride Unicom, what type of aircraft are you and how long will you be with us?
Telluride Unicom, Centurion 639 and Charlie, we'll be landing just for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes for the Centurion.
That's right. No, actually, we'll be on the field for 15 minutes. We are on downwind right now.
Centurion, say your position downwind relative to the runway.
Okay, we are turning right base.
Roger, Bonanza, Sierra Hotel is a right downwind midfield. Telluride. Telluride traffic, Doplane 17 Juliet is ascending, climbing north of the airport, shipping out back to the inbound traffic. Juliet, Tango Echo. Yeah. We're going to hang on a little bit until it clears out there.
Telluride traffic, exec jet 307, clear the runway.
Bonanza 711 Hotel Zoo is about 5 west. We'll be heading downwind. Telluride traffic, Lancer 56 Delta Sierra is in cold, turning 095 degrees going into Telluride. Telluride traffic, Bonanza 5230 Hotel is turning right base. Telluride.
Telluride traffic, Frank Fair 6461 of Beach Nice Airline is approximately 10 miles northeast of the airport. Request the airport advisory, Telluride.
5461 Telluride Unicom. We have glider and tailplane operating in the area. We just had a Husky depart. We have an inbound citation, a Bonanza, and a Centurion. Winds are calm. Altimeter 3023.
What runway people using?
Pilot's choice.
Thank you.
And Telluride traffic, direction Husky 1 Tango Quebec is not departed yet, holding short. Set on for inbound. 5230 Hotels on final, Telluride.
RJ? I have you park this one. And can I have a Centurion taxi to the west?
Runway 6.
5461 Telluride Unicom.